Hi, my name is Cheryl McLaughlin with CrazyCheryl.com. Welcome to ExpertVillage.com. I want to talk about what are the 7 key foods that would sustain you in a long-term emergency if you could not get to the store, and why I'm even talking about that with these whole wheat chocolate chip cookies, freshly ground whole wheat. We are using several of the 7 foods in here. One is wheat. We are going to grind up this freshly this wheat and use it in the cookies. Also, we have oats. Oats is a whole grain. This also is a 7-grain rolled mix. It has barley, wheat, triticale, and some other whole grains in here. The 7 foods that you would need to sustain your body and that you should learn how to store and use on a regular basis is whole grains, which we're using, legumes like beans, which we are not using today, powdered milk, which we're not using, but salt, oil, water, sugar or honey, and those are the 7 that you would need. If you know how to use and store and actually enjoy eating these types of foods, they would sustain you in a long-term emergency, and that could save your life.